हिंदी व्याकरण। नमस्ते बच्चों, व्याकरण में देखिए पार्ट 9 शब्द भंडार अनेकार्थक शब्द। ओके, अब देखिए हम अनेकार्थक शब्द एवरीथिंग विल सेम द मीनिंग। सो व्हाट इज अनेकार्थक शब्द? द मीनिंग इज जो शब्द एक से अधिक अर्थ वाले होते हैं उन्हें अनेकार्थक शब्द कहते हैं। दैट इज we are giving one word, one example. We are giving one word. There will be more meanings for that. So, anekartak means more arthak, more meanings. Arth means meaning. So, anek means more. Anekartak shabd. So, one word is given, there will be more meanings for that. So, आइए उदाहरण देखें. Some we can see some examples here. See here now. I am showing. Varna. What is Varna? See, Varna, Va, Ra, Matra, Na. So, Varna. You should not read Vanar. Varna. Varna means Akshar, Jati, and Rang. See, commonly we are saying Varna. And Rang also, color also we are saying for Varna. Akshar means letter. Each letter, I, E, we are saying, no? That letter also is called Varna. Jati. Rang means color. Okay? And Har. Har means a abhushan. Abhushan means we are putting one har in gold, diamond like this, no, in our neck. So उसे हम आभूषण कहते हैं. पराजय. Parajay means you are going for one match or going for play something. So what you are doing, one is getting win and other will lose the match. So उनको हम हार कहते हैं. So पराजय. जय पराजय. Then kar means हाथ. Hath means hand. See, tax. We are paying the tax for that. So we are saying patkar. And here patra. Patra. One word is patra. See, one meaning is patta, leaf. For leaf, we can say patta and patra also is correct. And chitti. Chitti means letter. See, letter. For patra, letter. Okay. And then ank. Ank means see, there are two. Ank means sankhya ke ank. Sankhya means numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are ordering numbers, no? उसे भी हम numbers को हम अंक कहते हैं. नाटक का हिस्सा. We are part A, part B, part C. We are giving for नाटक. For नाटक means we are on the stage and all. We will do one drama, no? So natak means that is called drama. That is part 1. Part 2. We are just dividing that. उसे हम अंक कहते हैं. Okay. Kul. Kul means jod, samukh, bunch. So kul means join, jod, join or together. Vansh means what will you say? Mera vansh hai. There's a parivar, family like this we are saying, no? Vansh means before grandfather, father's father, they are called kul. Okay. Uttar. Uttar means see uttar. Ek disha. Uttar means we can tell for north. What is north? Direction. North, east, south we are saying, no? The same. Uttar means ek disha, one direction, and jawab, giving the answer for the question. उसे भी हम उत्तर बोलते हैं. Okay. तीर. What is तीर? बाण. See, we are ये धनुष में हम तीर रखकर हम मारते हैं ना, उसे हम तीर कहते हैं. और नदी का किनारा. Nadi ka kinara means the what will you say, the shore, river shore. River shore ko nadi ka kinara, use hum तीर बोलते हैं. Okay, next one, घड़ी. See, घड़ी means क्षण. ये घड़ी में आना है. एक 1 second में you want to time, 1 minute you want to, we are saying no क्षण. 1 hour or one yugam we are telling like this. And then समय बताने वाले यंत्र. What we are saying, यंत्र means mission. So we are seeing that time in the clock only. So we are called that as clock. War. War means din. Din means day. War. Din and akraman kar diya. What war kar diya? Akraman kar diya. He defeated and he captured that place. We are saying, no? उसे हम आक्रमण करते हैं. पूर्व. पूर्व means that also. See, पूर्व is east. That also one direction. एक दिशा. पहले. पहले means first. We are saying this is the first line, second line, first line. So first line we are saying purva. So this is the meaning for that. And second, next one, phal. Phal means parinam. So what is that parinam? Whatever you are doing, good or bad, that will comes to you back. If you do evil for someone, the God will punish some other day and that will give you back. And then the same thing for good also. Khane wala phal. Khane wala phal means eating fruit. This also will come to phal. Next, vyanjan. Vyanjan means pakwan. That is one kind of food. Pakwan and varnamala ke akshar. Kaka, gaga, cha, 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 like this. So vyanjan means we want to cook. That is called vyanjan. And varnamala ke akshar. That is also vyanjan. Bhag. What is bhag? Bhag means bhagna. To run, your escape. Bhag. Bhago. Yahan se bhago. Means escape from here. Hissa. Partition. Partition. That is also called bhag. And then sona. Do you know what is sona? Yes, ek dhatu. See, gold. What you are wearing, gold. That is sona. That is ek dhatu. That is one metal. Neend ki prakya. That means sona to sleep. You are saying no. Neend ki prakya. Magar. Last one is what is magar? Magar is magarmach, crocodile. Parantu. Magar means but. B-U-T. But. See, two meanings for magarmach also you can use and parantu also you can use for this. Now we can go to the textbook. See, anekartak shabd. Words with more than one meaning. शब्दों के एक शब्दों के एक से अधिक होते हैं, अर्थ होते हैं, ऐसे शब्दों को अनेकार्थक शब्द कहते हैं. See the definition. शब्दों के एक से अधिक अर्थ होते हैं. See, for one word it is giving one than more than one. उसे हम अनेकार्थक शब्द कहते हैं. This is only the meaning for that. Okay, ball. What is ball? Ball means hair. Sir ke ball. Sir ke ball means that is a girl's hair. And balak. Balak, one boy. उसे हम बाल कहते हैं. Yeah. Patra. Here, see here. Patra. What is patra? Jal. Sorry. I will call you. We'll say here. So, yes, patra. Patra means patta and chitti. Already shown this. Leaf. See the picture, and chitti means post letter. Chitti. And here you can see here jug. Jug, jaga, jug. Jug means sansar. You can say for word. And एक बर्तन. बर्तन means one vessel. उसे भी हम जग करते हैं. Okay. Next one, हार. हार means see mala. Mala. See, you are wearing necklace in neck. So harna. Harna means just he lose the match. I said no. उसे भी. So sadly we are coming for harna. Teer, already I told. Nadi ka kinara. That is called river shore, that is called teer. Nadi ka kinara only teer. That only teer you want to tell, that is the river shore. And barn, see one arrow is here. Use bhi hum teer कहते हैं. Par means punk. Punk, feather. For feather we are saying par. And another one on, on, upar, on the table. There also pustak mez par hai. So pustak means book is on the table. So this is the meaning for this. And next one, see here, sona. Sona means एक धातु जिसके गहने बनते हैं. One metal, gold metal. We are doing one ring or earring, nose ring or hand ring like this. Not only for it, many things. Okay. So jana, kriya. See that word. He is sleeping. That also one meaning for that. Next, jal. Jal means pani. It will giving meaning for water. And another one, aag se jal jana. See here, jal jana means the fire on his body. So it is getting firing on his body. So jal means it will come jal raha hai. Iska aang pura jal raha hai aag se. He got fire on his body. See, it is burning. For burning, we are saying jal. Okay. Here's the bag. One hissa part of cake. One part of cake. Dhaudna also bag. Phal, aam, kela, adi phal. Aam, kela, phal. We are saying. And then parinam. He is learning good and he got first mark progress. That is parinam. And then bus. Bus means one gadi. One gadi, one vehicle. Bus means vehicle. And taharo, wait. You are saying no, you want to wait here. Here only you want to wait. Taharo. And then stand. That is a stand. And here dal, see here dalna, this is kriya verb. So dal means you want to put the waste in the something putting down or putting on the plate or putting on the dustbin, something like that. And paid ki dal, branches. For branches also we can say dal. Okay, dear. So next is like this you want to read. Next one we can go to the worksheet. दिए गए शब्दों के अनेकार्थक शब्द लिखिए. See, some words are given and with the picture you want to write it. Jug means what you want to write. Sansar and ek bartan. I already shown there. Harna, mar, mala, not marna, mala will come. Rub and write that mala. Patra means patta, chitti. See, patta, chitti. Here par, wings. Par means feathers. Feathers, not wings. Per wings also we can tell feather. Wings only will come. Per. Then here parantu, but okay. Per on the here only want right. Yes, bhag, hissa, bhagna, ball, sirke ball and ball. Already I showed that. Yes, next one. दिए गए शब्दों का अर्थ समझकर वाक्य बनाइए. See one. I'm showing here one thing. Listen. उत्तर. अमन ने मेरे प्रश्न का उत्तर दे दिया. See, sentence you want to make sentence for it using this. See, its meaning also is given there. Uttar. Uttar means what? One answer and another one is direction. Ek disha. Two meanings. No. For two meanings, who want to give each sentence? अमन ने मेरे प्रश्न का उत्तर दे दिया. So Aman gave one answer for my question. Next one, मेरा स्कूल उत्तर दिशा में है. My school is on the west. उत्तर दिशा means west direction. Next one, सोना. एक कीमती धातु. सोना means that is one metal. So valuable and so costly also. सो जाना means sleeping. आजकल सोना महंगा हो गया है. Nowadays the gold is so valuable and also so costly. Ram so raha hai. Ram is sleeping. Tir, kinara. Tir means already nadi ka kinara. Krishna Yamuna nadi ke tir par khelte the. Always Krishna, Lord Krishna will play in the what that Yamuna nadi means at the border of the Yamuna river. Ban means दशरथ के धनुष से निकला हुआ तीर श्रवण को चुभ गया. दशरथ के धनुष से निकला हुआ तीर. दशरथ के धनुष means you know the Ramayana. No? So what he is doing one time, he just you saw one deer, something you want to just beat that dhanush bow and arrow. He just to point that what happens. He unknowingly he didn't saw something is that Shravan. That nice story. Shravan has a father, mother. They are blind. Two parents are blind. Mother also blind and father also blind. He is taking on the shoulder the basket and then he lifting. There are some water. He took one vessel and pouring the water. Its sound comes from the river. Some sound like this. What Dasharath heard, some animal is there. So he didn't see one boy is there. So suddenly what he did, some animal come to drink the water. Okay, this is only the time we want to feed that animal. So what suddenly he put that tir means that arrow to that animal. But suddenly what happened? That hit to that boy. So that only happened. So chuk gaya. So the suddenly gone into the heart of that boy. So this is the meaning for that. Dasharath ke dhanush se nikla hua tir. Dhanush se nikla means it come out of the dhanush and suddenly gone just think that Shravan. Yes. Third one. दिए गए वाक्यों में रेखांकित शब्दों के अर्थ उनके सामने लिखिए. The रेखांकित means underlined words are given here. Write the meanings of the underlined words. जल्दी चलो बस आ गई. See bus. What is bus? See the sentence and you write jaldi chalo bus aa gayi. So go quickly. Bus means gaadi. So gaadi means that is one vehicle. Okay. अब बस भी करो, अब बस भी करो. Okay, समाप्त. Stop it. We are saying no. बस करो. This is called समाप्त. Next one. राधिका ने बस्ते में पुस्तकें डाल ली. राधिका ने बस्ते में पुस्तकें डाल ली. Radhika put the books and the inside the dal means inside the bag. So डालना. Next one. पेड़ की डाल पर चिड़िया बैठी है. पेड़ की means the bird is sitting on the branch of that tree. Tahani. Okay, that is called tahani. Raj ki phal khilao. Third one. Rajat ko phal khilao. See, give some fruit to Rajat, this boy name. So please give fruit to the Rajat. Rajat ko phal khilao. What is the phal meaning? Aam, kela, adi, phal. Okay, adi means etc. That is called phal. Vaibhav ko अच्छाई का फल अवश्य मिलेगा. See, Vaibhav का अच्छाई फल means what he do good things for Vaibhav, he gets definitely will get nice for that. That is called Parinam. Very good. Next one. Yes. The next one. This lesson is over. So please, children, go through with this lesson thoroughly and then start to read. धन्यवाद बच्चों. समाप्त हुआ ये पाठ.